Click on subscribe, and for more notification click on bell icon. Hi guys, today I will show you how to try any app without installing it. First you want to go to Google settings. Okay, take Google settings. You can see the instant apps. Take instant apps. Okay, then you can see as it is off, switch it on. Okay, switch it on. Then you can see a message from Google Play. Click on yes, I am in. Okay, after that, after owning this feature, you can go to Google Play, then search for any apps which supports this feature. I search for Vimo. Okay, then you can see here more info and install. Click on more info. Okay, click on more info. Then you can see try again and install. Click on try now. Click on try now. Then you can see as the app is opening. See, the app opens now. So it's a good feature from Google. So thank you for watching and peace out. And don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Okay.